Hey guys, Joe Borio from Cooking in Town with Joe. I want to give you a quick tip when you're making drinks. One of the things I notice in Italy, and I just love it, when they make a drink, and just about any drink, they're less likely to put ice in the drink, and they're more likely to put frozen fruit in there. And I'm going to tell you why. Number one, frozen fruit is going to stay cold, so it'll, like an ice cube, it'll keep your drink frozen. So they take different types of fruit, from pineapple to strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, like I have here on the plate. They throw it in the freezer, and they get it frozen solid. That way, when they make the drink, they'll add it to the drink. The other part is, which I love, I hate adding water to anything. Water is a dilution. So water, as an ice cube melts, it adds water and it dilutes the flavor. Or in this case, what the strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, whatever you're adding, it's going to add flavor. It's going to enhance the flavor of your drink. So next time you're making some drinks earlier in the day, take some of your fruit, throw it in the freezer, and add it to the drink. Not only does it make it beautiful, but it certainly is a lot more fun, and it makes it a lot more flavorful. Hey guys, this is Joe Borio from Cooking in Town with Joe. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Mwah! Buon appetito!